Somebody lost my daggum fender there, boys. Blacktop for a few minutes to the next section of the trail. It's just like barely tucked in here. You gotta be looking for it. You'll miss it for sure if you don't know what to look for. I hope it's open. That's it. Yep. Alright, hopefully it's the same kind of courtesy and code of conduct and all that as it used to be 2 years ago. I ain't bothering nobody about nothing up here. I'm just having a little fun. Enjoying this beautiful freaking early fall day. Many more days like this to come. I am so excited. Holy crap. We gotta pick one or the other. Check this trail out. How is this for a big bike trail? Look at this. Whoa. Oh. Alright. Gotta dial it in here. This ain't the freaking enduro bike. Holy shit, dude. Whoa. I do believe that side is much better. I'd much rather go see that side. Come on, baby. Come on, little bit further. I reckon we can probably make that. Oh, it stinks. We're recording, hell yeah, good. Jesus. Holy shit. Oh my God. It is muddy. Oh yeah. little bit of enduro on the big bike today. This trail is sick. multiple line choices through here. It's not too bad. Shit. Woo, that's how I crashed camping with Steven that time. Almost better just to go straight through the middle. Somebody lost my daggum fender there, boys. About better just to go straight through the middle. Oh, this is so killer, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's all about right here, people. These are what my two-wheeled adventures are all about. Getting out here, either on the adventure bike or my dirt bike, sometimes the mountain bike, and just seeing this, just beauty. It is beautiful. Got to get out in the woods to do it though, and two wheels is the best way to do it. Let's keep on getting it. Spot up here if I remember. Oh, a nice well graded spot it looks like now. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Take a spot I was thinking of. This rock. Slick. On to adventurer out here. Hey. How you doing?
I'm lost.
Oh God.
I don't even know how I got over here.
All right. Until next time, sweet spot. Well, that was awesome. You can't ask for a better spot than that to have some lunch. Ran into that dude when I pulled up. Old Dean. He was pretty cool. He talked to me for a little while. From Pennsylvania, I think. Up here just traveling and motorcycling. Oh my God, that squirrel just ran right underneath. Right in between my tires. Holy crap. Whoa. Also got to play with the drone a little bit. That was my first time doing that. So that's probably going to be pretty bad, but we'll go ahead and play that footage now, I guess, to the drone. Let's roll that. Jesus Christ. Should have kept an off-road mode on the brakes, I reckon. What a day. What a perfect day. Hope you guys enjoyed that two-part series of the best adventure bike road in Western North Carolina. It sure is a pretty part of country that we live in. Figure for the ending of this video, I'd bring you up here with me to one of my favorite spots. We are freaking on top of the world, man. Look at this. Beautiful fall day. As soon as my brother gets his bike out of the shop, we're gonna head straight back to where I was. Explore the rest of those roads that branch off of there. They just go on for miles through the middle of nowhere, and that's what I enjoy the most. Getting in some two-wheeled therapy out in the middle of nowhere. It don't get any better than that. Appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy this type of content, I got a lot more coming, and yeah, please give me a like and shoot me a comment of what you might want to see. Trying to grow my channel, and every little bit of that helps, so I appreciate y'all watching. And if you made it this far in the video, then yeah, hit the subscribe button. Let's get it done. Let's grow this channel and keep bringing y'all on some adventures like this to see just the most incredible things you've ever seen in your life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.